Have you ever wondered what really shapes the education your child receives? Curriculum is the backbone of our education system. It determines what students learn and how they engage with knowledge. Curriculum defines what schools teach. It includes everything from subjects to activities. Understanding it is crucial for parents and educators alike. Let's explore what a curriculum entails. First, it represents a structured series of learning outcomes, showing a clear path of anticipated results. Next, it is a deliberate plan to shape student behavior. Schools aim to develop individuals into responsible citizens through education. Curriculum encompasses three main components: programs of studies, for subjects like math and science; programs of activities that involve clubs and social engagements; programs of guidance, focusing on personal and social development through counseling. This framework supports learners in their growth and integration into society. For example, consider a history class. It's not just about dates and events. It teaches students critical thinking and societal values, preparing them for future roles. To understand curriculum better, let's distinguish it from related terms. A syllabus details what should be taught within each subject. However, it is a smaller component of the overall curriculum. A scheme of work breaks down what a syllabus contains into manageable timelines and specific lessons. A course of study represents the overall educational program leading to a certification. While a lesson note guides teachers in delivering daily lessons, it is just a component of a broader curriculum. Now, why is curriculum essential? It ensures that students learn skills necessary for living in society. Schools must continually adapt their curriculum to address societal needs and challenges. Renowned educator Ralph Tyler emphasized four key questions when developing a curriculum. 1. What should schools aim to achieve? 2. What experiences can provide those outcomes? 3. How should those experiences be organized? 4. How can we assess whether objectives are met? Understanding these aspects is vital for effective education. Curricula can be categorized in various ways: formal or informal, explicit or hidden, and electronic or phantom. Formal curricula involve intentional planning and structured lessons. In contrast, informal curriculum covers life lessons from society outside school. Hidden curriculum represents the unspoken rules and values taught through school culture. The electronic curriculum involves learning from online resources, reflecting modern education's shift toward technology. Lastly, the phantom curriculum highlights the influence of media on learners' perspectives. So, how can one engage with the curriculum? Whether you're a parent or an educator, be active in discussions about what is taught. Advocate for transparency in curriculum design. Engage with educators to understand how they plan lessons. This will help ensure that students are well prepared for their futures. In summary, the curriculum is a comprehensive framework guiding education. It shapes students into informed, responsible citizens. Evaluate who contributes to curriculum discussions and ensure all voices are heard. You have the power to shape educational experiences, so get involved today. Explore resources and engage with your child's educational journey. Let's build a better education for everyone.